scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Lorenz curves are essential tools in economics for measuring wealth gaps. We will quickly break down exactly how they work to find the right answer. First, we must define what a Lorenz curve actually represents. It is a graphical representation that plots the cumulative percentage of total income received against the cumulative number of recipients. Next, we analyze the income distribution data by comparing the actual curve to a straight line of perfect equality. This visual gap shows us how much wealth is concentrated elsewhere. Finally, we identify wealth inequality as the primary purpose of this specific graph. This makes option C the only logical choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check your steps carefully.